Bonjour et bienvenue à Learn French with Megha. Hello and welcome to Learn French with Megha. Today's topic is les articles contractés, contracted articles in French. Qu'est-ce que c'est les articles contractés? What are contracted articles? When definite articles, les articles définis, are preceded by the preposition the or a, are called les articles contractés. First, we will see the contraction of preposition the with article défini. The with article défini le is due, which is used for masculine singular. The with la is de la, which is used for feminine singular. The with L apostrophe is the L apostrophe, which is used with vowels or silent H. The with les is they, which is used for plural. Either it is masculine or feminine. So we have four contracted articles with preposition the, due, de la, the L apostrophe, they. For example, c'est le stylo du garçon. This is the pen of the boy. Here, garçon means boy. Garçon is masculine singular. So we will use due of the boy. C'est la sœur de la femme. This is a sister of the lady. Here femme is feminine singular. So we use the la of the lady. C'est le chapeau de l'homme. Here homme is masculine singular but it is starting with the vowel. So we will use the L apostrophe of the man. C'est l'enfant des parents. This is a child of parents. Here, parents is plural, so we will use they parents of the parents. Then we will see the contraction of preposition a, which means to with article défini. A with article défini le is o, which is used for masculine singular. A with la is a la, which is used for feminine singular. A with L apostrophe is a L apostrophe, which is used with vowels or silent H. A with le is O, which is used for plural. Either it is masculine or feminine. So we have four contracted articles with preposition a, o, la, a L apostrophe, o, which means to the. For example, je parle au fils. I speak to the boy. Here, fils is masculine singular, so we use O to the boy. Je parle à la femme. Here, femme is feminine singular, so a la is used. To the lady. Je parle à l'homme. I speak to the man. Here, homme is masculine singular, but starting with the vowel. So we use a L apostrophe. To the men. Je parle aux parents. I speak to parents. Here parents is plural, so we will write O to the parents. One thing it is important to remember while using article contracté, articles are not applied before proper nouns. Only prepositions a and the are used. For example, je parle à Sonia. I speak to Sonia. Here Sonia is proper noun. It is a name. So we will not use les articles contactés to the Sonia. We use only a. I speak to Sonia. C'est la stylo the mark. Here again we have proper noun mark. Then we will write it is the pen of Mark, not of the Mark. Let's do some sentences to learn les articles contactés with. First one is Je donne des chocolats dash enfant. I give chocolates to child. Here child is masculine singular but starting with the vowel. So we will write L apostrophe. I give chocolates to the child. Les enfants disent bonjour dash professor. The children say bonjour to the professor. So we will use preposition a. Professor is masculine singular. So we will write O. Les clés dash voiture. The keys of the car. Here we will use preposition the because it is of the. And voiture is feminine singular. So we will write de la. Elle parle dash Rahul. She speak to Rahul. Here Rahul is proper noun and it is name. So we will not use les articles contractés. We write only a. Elle parle à Rahul. Regardez l'image dash livre. Look the image of the book. We will use preposition the as livre is masculine singular. So we will use du. Donnez le stylo dash fille. Give the pen to the girl. Here, fille is feminine singular, so we will use a la. C'est le frère dash Geeta. This is brother of Geeta. Here we will use preposition the, but we have a proper noun Geeta, so we will not use les articles contactés. We will write only preposition the. C'est le frère de Geeta. Hope you understand les articles contactés well. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. But before leaving, I request you to please like, subscribe, share, and press the notification icon. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. A bientôt.